Disabling two-factor authentication on your Uber account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view your security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle switch or an option to turn it off. Tap on it to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Uber account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and monitoring your account activity.